Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your PNC credit card online. To cancel your PNC credit card online, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in pnc.com and end up in the official website for PNC. From the main homepage, if you want to cancel your credit card, all you need to do is to reach out to the customer support team. Click the customer service button at the upper right hand corner, right next to the language option. Now from the customer support tab, go to the contact us option and click on it. You will then be able to see a list of contact methods you can use in order to cancel your credit card. To send a message to PNC and request to cancel your credit card, click on the Message Us option and send a message to the customer service representative regarding your cancellation for your credit card. Another way you can contact them is by calling them directly on their toll-free number. Click the Call Us button and then, from the list of phone numbers available, go ahead and pick the credit cards option and call on this number over here. Speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to answer any security question that they might ask you in order to verify your identity. Follow through the instructions till the end, and before cancellation, make sure that you have no outstanding balance left on your credit card. After you speak to the representative, they will guide you through this step and you will then be able to cancel your credit card for PNC Bank. So that was how you can easily cancel your credit card online in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.